Hi, I'm Claire and I'm a chef and I'm going to make chamomile and oat cookies. Pukka and the Natural History Museum are partnering to celebrate nature and highlight the importance of biodiversity. We've got some chamomile tea bags that we're going to take the contents out of, and then we're going to mix it with oats, butter, sugar, eggs, flour. Then we're going to beat the butter and the sugar in the mixer together until creamy. Then we're going to add 1 egg, beat again. Then we're going to add 120 grams of plain flour, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, the 3 chamomile tea bags, and then we will add some oats. Mix to incorporate, and then we have a cookie dough. That's going to go in the fridge for half an hour to firm up before we bake the biscuits. So this has just come out of the fridge, and we're going to roll biscuits now. So what we're going to do is going to get ping pong sized balls, and we're going to roll and then flatten a bit. So these are going to go in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes at 180 degrees until crisp and golden. So these have been in the oven for 10 minutes, and we're going to put them on a wire rack to cool until you guys can have one. And Dot, you're a big fan of chamomile, aren't you?
Insects are too.
Because they use it to make their
nectar.
We hope you enjoyed the video. To learn more about how Pukka supports organic farming and biodiversity, visit our website.